Hey there, I'm Diana. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another reveal for you, and this is yet again another Radley London handbag. So there was quite the deal going on when I was on Amazon the other day, and I will link this style down below and also the other style that I got. But the deals were so good, I actually ended up getting my first two Radley London handbags, so this is the second one. And I mentioned it in the other video, but I went onto Amazon and there's actually quite a good selection of what I call mid-range designer handbags. Coach, Michael Kors, Radley London, Dooney and Werq is actually what I was going to look for that day. And I somehow just wandered over to the Radley London section and there was a great deal going on. So I grabbed my first couple Radley London handbags. So let's open this up and I will share the other handbag that I got. And they were on such a good deal the day that I got them. I can't tell you when they'll be on deal again, but I will put the links down below. And even if they are close to regular price, it's still a really good deal for what they are. They are a good quality handbag, nice leather. And so the other bag I got was tan, and this one, as you can see from the side, is a black handbag. It's a slightly smaller handbag, but again, that satchel style that I really, really like. So here is the front. So let's go ahead and open this up and I will show you what this one is. And this is the Portman small zipper satchel, so it's a little bit smaller size than the other one. It again has the two handles on top, which I love, combined with the crossbody strap, so it makes it super versatile. I also love that this one has a little bit smaller footprint, so you can see you've got a good amount of space here, but it's a little bit flatter. It's not quite as wide. So the dimensions on this one are a little bit different from the other one, so it's about 11 across here, by about 8.5 up, so it's a little bit shorter in each side, but then the big thing is the width. This is just about 3 inches, so it's not quite as wide as the other satchel that I got. On the back here, it has just kind of a slip pocket, but this pocket's pretty big, so you can see I use an iPhone, and this is about the size that you could kind of slip your iPhone down inside. I do have a pop socket on there. You can see it sits flush, so it's like a perfect size for your phone here in the back, so easy access. I think that they made these bags very like practical. Like they definitely thought about modern practicality with these, which I really appreciate. So it makes it easy to use and kind of just easy to fit everything that you need. So one of their signature things is this cute little dog. That's the Radley London dog. And this pocket on the front, this is a little bit smaller. This is more for like a receipt or some change. Not quite phone size there. Let's pull out all of this paper on the inside so we can unbundle this. And they do come with a cute little dust bag, which is this pink. And it's got the Radley London logo on it. So there's that. And we're going to pull all this stuffing out so we can see what fits down inside. So you wouldn't be able to fit a regular iPad down in here, but iPad mini, maybe a small book, definitely a small wallet, your, cosmetics case, keys, hand sanitizers, sunglasses, all of your really daily essentials are going to fit in this size. And this is really kind of a day-to-day size that I use a ton now. So let's take the strap that comes with it off. And this strap is actually a little bit different too. So let's look at this. It actually has kind of a buckle where you push through. So the other one had a clip. So this is interesting. And you just pop this off like that. And then you just wind it through. And I kind of like this. So it's got a little bit of a different design there, which I like that. The zippers seem nice and good quality, so they're kind of stiff when you first open them, but they slide really, really easily. And then this has like a little button back here, so that's kind of nice because they even thought about not having this flap just hanging around. It actually tucks around to the back and then snaps. So it's a very kind of like sleek design. I love how like kind of just tapered this is, and it's a really nice sleek design. So I'm excited about this one. I think this one's going to get a ton of use. Really long crossbody strap's going to work great with a coat or kind of larger sweaters going into the winter months. And I love the versatility of this. It's a really great size. And so I mentioned with the other bag as well, it was such a good deal going on, that I also got a wallet as well to go with the bag. I don't always do this, but if it's a pretty good deal, then I like to do that. Again, the days that I got them, they were like something like 50–60% off. So really, really good deal. It has just like a little bit of rubbing. I think it came off the cardboard. So I think I'll be able to clean that off. And again, because I got such a great deal, I think I'm just not going to worry about it. But this has one zippered area here. it's kind of like weird, like which is the front, which is the back, because the name's back here. But the zippered area is what I would probably call the back, so it's got the name in the back. And then this just flaps open. It's a little bit different than the other wallet I got in that it has this one main area that has all your cards and then this one billfold area. So this also is a bit sleeker and slimmer than the other wallet that I got to go with the tan bag. So you can see what this looks like just tucked down inside. A nice slim wallet, and I don't always get the matching wallets, but it was such a good deal. The wallets were on deal that day too, and I was like, well, let's just get the whole set. So I'm really excited about this, but I really love this style. It's beautiful, and the pebbled leather is nice and soft. I think it's going to hold up really well, so I'm actually very excited about these. For being kind of a random, like I completely changed directions from what I was originally intending on buying that day, I think this was a really good find. So let me know down in the comments below if you've ever had a Radley London handbag. I'm actually very excited about this. I don't know what it's with me and all the UK companies recently, but I've had really, really good luck. The Lily and Bean tote, I really like that. And I've of course been liking my Pom Pom London bags. Now this Radley London bag. So having really good luck lately with the UK designers. So apparently I'm in my UK bag designer era here. But I will link all of these items down below, and if you have an item from Radley London that you've been liking, let me know. But I have to say, like, I really love the color of the other tote, but I love this sleek design of this. I feel like this is going to get a ton of use this fall and winter. So hopefully you enjoyed checking out my new finds from Amazon. I'm going to put all the links down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.